Hello, little friends. Today we're going to draw a funny character, SpongeBob SquarePants. He lives under the sea and always has a big, silly smile. Let's learn how to draw him step by step. First, let's draw SpongeBob's big spongy head. It's a wiggly rectangle with round holes. Add a happy smile and some funny sponge spots all around. Now draw two big round eyes and add the pupils inside. Draw a small nose between the eyes. Don't forget to add his two big front teeth with that silly grin. Draw two arms, one waving hello. Then draw his shirt with a tie and some small details below his face. Now draw his skinny little legs and add his shiny shoes at the bottom. SpongeBob is ready to walk. Using the pencils you shared, color with head and sponge body, yellow, eyes and pupils, blue, cheeks and nose, purple, tie, dark reddish purple, pants, green, socks and legs, sky blue, shoes, dark blue, shirt, keep white, just outline it. Let's start coloring. Once we add the colors, SpongeBob will come to life.
SpongeBob laughs, SpongeBob runs, SpongeBob laughs, SpongeBob runs. He plays below where the ocean sun shows. 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 No toes in his bucket, no magic or bleed. No toes in his bucket, no magic or bleed. But he makes the world smile, ding, ding, ding. But he makes the world smile, ding, ding, ding. But he makes the world smile, ding, ding, ding. But he makes the world smile, ding, ding, ding.
Let's start something awesome.
Friends, did you enjoy drawing SpongeBob today? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddo Color Club for more fun. See you next time with another drawing. Bye-bye.